Right, and as you can see, there are these tiny, parts of Gaunt's combat fatigues that are painted gold, really, really fine, and you have to get really in there to. But wait, what's going on? I said I wouldn't buy any more boxes until I finish Gaunt's. Oh god damn it! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! What did I do now? Well, since it's here, I might as well, like open it up and see what it is. I I had a sort of impulse buy, and by impulse mean I planned this out for months because I knew this was coming and I really wanted to start Knight's Army, but they're expensive as hell. And this box came with like almost the price of a single knight with like half of a tournament ready army, like a knight and 4 armigers, while the knight does not have all the weapons and carapace armor, carapace weapons. I'm pretty sure I can manage to squeeze something. And then again, this is my first step into on the road to Titans. And by the way, that base is as big as my hand. Yeah, at one point in time, I really do hope I get a Warlord or no Warhound Titan. All right, what can I say except wish me luck. It's time to get back to Gaunt's Goats and get those done.